custody, your first experience, and now today this defeat. How you look at it?
About that situation, I would like to say that that matter is in the court, and as per me, I am not guilty, and I will let the law decide actually what is the scene happen over there and what are the things. I was taken, and about this today is about today's loss, and I will not say this is a loss. This is a victory. Victory meaning first time I said, first time young, and I had a very less time also, which was I think so like 8 or 9 days, which I could not cover it up and plan it up properly. Everything was like a fast for me, and it was a new experience for me actually. Like suddenly something came, and like suddenly I would say, first of all, secondly I would say thank you to everyone who believed in me. And thank you for every karyakartas and workers who worked with me day and night. We tried to give a tough fight and all actually, but it could not happen. And there was actually I could say like people are bored with the politics of this MLAs of God. So the thing is like it was very new experience for me, and I will not take as a bad day and all, bad victory and all, nothing like that actually. This is my first time. I was standing with a candidate who was into a ZP and who had been in this thing. I just entered it, and I think like yeah, for me it is quite a day.
Whether RG was surprised to you?
RG, see, it is from the people, by the people, and for the people. So actually, it is people who decided it. It is not my decision. I cannot say this one is good and that one is good and that one is bad. And all. Everyone are like equally. And for me, it is like they gave their best and they got the result. And we gave our best and we got our result.
I want to thank all our voters, that is 1,390, and the rest voters for trusting the Congress party. And even after there was defection of 8, Valen Barbos was the youngest candidate in these elections, and as a young person, as an engineer, as a youth, I think I have to congratulate him, because still all the voters have supported him. And this victory payasa, first of all I want to congratulate the candidate also, and आमचे काम जे आसा जोगडपाचे, villages samawपाचे, we will highlight these issues and we will support the candidate who has won for all round development. So I thank once again all the voters, all the supporters for supporting us and coming out to vote. Although in this year this was the third election in a year for Cortalim constituency. Zaite Lokani, more than 10,000 voters had not come to vote. So probably because of this, our vote has gone down.
Is the only reason?
No, that will be one of the reasons. There are also other reasons. I have said just now that our 8 betrayers betrayed the party and the hopes for people. That also has affected us. But still people of Cortalim constituency has kept faith in us, and that is a big number of votes. That is 1,400 votes.